Afriwood Kenya is one of East Africa's leading trade events for the wood, furniture, and allied industries. Held in Nairobi, the exhibition brings together manufacturers, suppliers, machinery builders, and industry professionals to showcase the latest technologies, materials, and innovative solutions in woodworking and furniture production.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
The event provides participants with a unique opportunity to explore emerging industry trends, network with key players, and discover new business opportunities. Attendees can learn about modern production techniques, advanced machinery, and cutting-edge designs while building partnerships that enhance growth and competitiveness.
Afriwood Kenya plays a key role in supporting the development of Kenya's woodworking and furniture sectors, positioning participants at the forefront of innovation, collaboration, and regional market success. Afriwood Kenya is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.